Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout time on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the not home screen, display section, and here you can find this feature. Okay, so you have to go to the always on display and lock screen, and here you have this function sleep. You can change this time for 15, for 30 seconds, for 1, 2, 5 or even 10 minutes. I'll set it on 2 and this will be just fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.